Alright, how's it going, everybody? So today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing from a small box I got from Amazon. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, everybody. I don't want to make this video too long. We're going to just open this box real quick. Pull out what's in here. Hopefully it doesn't end up being too long of a video. Look at that. Well, at least it's the size, but look, literally, there's so much over-wasted packaging. There's one socket rail in here. They could have put every single item I purchased in this one box. Because I have two other boxes coming. I mean, those two would have fit in here, plus this one, plus the other 10 or whatever I'm waiting for. Come on. Like, seriously? One? This is supposed to be red, not pink. Move you guys over here. Alright. Let's get this out of the package. That's definitely not red. To me, it looks like a fuchsia pink, but I could be wrong. Definitely looks more pink to me instead of red. That's a little aggravating. This looks like a 3/8 rail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yep, 18 like they said. I do believe you can buy these clips separate too. So if you wanted to add another 20 clips, you know, on all of your rails, you could. I do wish it was red. I'm not really sure why it's pink. I'll have to contact Amazon and find out why I didn't get the red. You know, at like an angle, when you're not looking directly at it, it does look red. But when you look at it straight on, it's more pink than anything else. What do you guys think? Do you guys think it's like a fuchsia pink, or does it look red to you? When the light's not hitting it, it looks red to me. Like at this angle right here, it looks red. You know, I could be wrong. I might be going colorblind, I don't know. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. I'm a little aggravated, you know, that Amazon put, there's another sticker, Amazon didn't put everything in the same box. It would have just been easier. I guess we'll find out when I get the other boxes, you know, why it took 4 boxes for probably a set of items that could have probably fit in that exact one box I just unboxed with you guys. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. These clips are basically universal. I think everybody's using these style clips now. You know, you could probably, I know for a fact that the clips are no different than the Astro Pneumatic sockets have the exact same clips, as well as the Carlisle sockets that come with the Carlisle rail. All these clips are the same. They're the same as these. Just to give you guys a look. pull this cover off, which the other socket rail has it. You can see it looks like the exact same clip. Pull this rail off. Slides right on. They're the exact same rails. These are just branded Olsa tools. This rail is what came with the Astro pneumatic sockets. The metric are blue, the standard are black. But there is a plus. I could always transfer these sockets to one of these rails and then put other sockets on it, and then save space and use this rail for another item, or take all of these clips off this rail, put them on this one, you know. So it's pretty nice that they're universal rails. But here's the metric. It looks like the same rail, it's just not branded Olsa tools like this one is. Same clip, exact same slide clips. This is an Astro swivel, pinless swivel socket set. But just some information. I do appreciate you guys watching and checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. If you guys know where I can get these clips, let me know. I would like to buy a crap ton more of these clips. I do wish that, you know, what they provide on the rail, see how much rail space there is, they could have provided another probably 5 or 6 of these clips, maybe 10 of these clips, and gave it up to you if you wanted to push them all the way to the outside. The other cool thing about these rails is you guys can also do this with them if you wanted to. You can flip them on each side of the rail and then lay the rail like that down if you wanted to do that. So you can flip them on both sides, so that way you can have, you know, one this way, then this way, then this way, then this way, so on and so forth. And you can literally utilize this rail where you can actually put twice as many sockets on it, because you would have half the sockets on this side and half the sockets on this side, and you can butt them up against each other like that. So that's another nice feature about these rails, is that you can do that with them. Again, I do appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe like always, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!